what's going on, man? This is your boy, Mr. Baby Daddy, man. This is for the voting, right? Now, I know it's going to be difficult to get men to actually go try to vote on something that they really don't care about. But for the dudes who do care, for the dudes who understand what we saying, it sounds like it's way over there, but I make it easy for you, right? So let's say this. They don't expect for us to go vote because they don't promote go vote for your child support judge, go vote for your child support. They want us to vote for the president. The judges and they get voted in every 2 years. Now, putting it together, since people don't stick together, hopefully this will be something that make you want to follow through. I'm in Dallas, I'm in Arkansas, but that don't mean we can't make this work. That's why on my stuff, I put that scanner on there. You can go to the website, go to babydaddy.square.site, go up on the contact. When you go up on the contact, you can go up in there, push that. It's going to take you where you need to be. So you put your information in so we can actually get you and every other guy in your town start having meetings for the guys in your town under the same judge. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be able to be in every town trying to set it up, trying to get y'all to go vote. This is grown man shit. If you understand what this means and if you understand what this is, I shouldn't have to try to make you go down there and vote on something that's gonna change your life. So let me break it down like this. We don't go down there and vote. So that's the reason why they don't have to do anything. We don't need a billion men to go down there and vote. Because the people who go vote is the people who go vote. The people who don't vote is the people who don't vote. The people who don't vote, if they go down there and vote as one unit, will be able to take over every single thing because they don't count our vote. On Tuesdays, I'm going TikTok live so guys can come in there and we can talk about the judge and the DA, and we can also talk about the situation with those judges. This is helping me spread awareness because we're on there talking. People gonna come in, people want to get their 2 cents, and that's how we're gonna make this grow. It's not rocket science. But when we start to get y'all to go in there and start to fill it out and put y'all district and put y'all town and put this and put that, then we're going to take everybody from that same area that actually go up in there and do it, and we'll put y'all in a folder. Then we're going to start talking to y'all one-on-one, everybody in that town, everybody in that district. It doesn't make sense for me to have everybody from everywhere come and talk because we talking about y'all judge. We talking about y'all. We talking about how y'all vote them out. We talking about who you have to vote out in order to make that whole thing fall, because the judge who you talking to may not be your main judge. It may be an assigned judge, and that assigned judge is brought in by the real judge. You may not even be talking to your real judge. Your real judge may not even be making your ruling because they have so many cases that they have to do where they can't handle the load, so they have people come in and actually like a substitute teacher. So y'all check me out, man. Y'all tune in, man. I know the world have so much stuff going on to the point where this is where they win. They get you unfocused on what's more important than everything else going on in this world. Everything else going on in this world is not more important than you going down here to vote out this judge so you can get back to your kid. And if that's not important to you, then I'm not talking to you anyway. So this is your boy, Mr. Baby Daddy. I'm going to get at y'all in a minute.
Tuesdays, we go live on TikTok to talk about judges and district attorneys, how they get voted in and voted out by us, and how the process really works. Go to babydaddy.square.site. Click the contact page, submit your information, and choose a date that works for you. Scan this right now. It takes 2 minutes. Then send it to 3 men you know going through child support.